Hi, my name is Oluwanisholaki Kelomo, and I'm here at Examhood studio to chill, answer questions, and have fun. Heads up, in case I don't get most of the questions, please.
Yes. Nobody's
perfect.
No, definitely. That's what we're saying. Nobody's
Okay.
perfect. Nobody's perfect. You have 300,000 naira. Let's start with the pronunciation then.
Okay.
So, the first one to pronounce. Look at this. I believe you're familiar with that. You must have seen it. You must have seen it. It's a product. It's a product of a car.
Yeah.
Yeah, and definitely you must have seen it around. So can you please pronounce it properly?
Okay. Let's see. Looking at what we're going with Hyundai or Hyundai. But I think I'm going with Hyundai.
Right?
Hyundai.
I want to take your time and look at it properly. Look at it properly.
Okay. Hyundai.
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 Okay.
Hyundai.
Okay. I believe you.
Hyundai.
That is a final one, right?
That's my final answer. Hyundai.
But you'll be so surprised that it's been pronounced Hyundai.
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 That's the right pronunciation.
Meant something.
So, I believe
you have to jot it down.
To jot it down. Yeah. Yes. So, 300,000 naira. Now we have a balance of 150,000 naira.
Oh my god.
Because you got that wrong.
Okay. So it's not Hyundai.
It's not Hyundai like a lot of people do pronounce it. It's not
Hyundai, that's what we pronounce it.
Yeah, of course,
myself and some fellow Nigerians.
Yes.
Hyundai.
Okay. The next one to pronounce.
Okay.
Look at it very well.
Heads up. I've not seen this before.
You've not seen that, okay? You must have seen it. You'll have seen it. Maybe in the film or something.
I'm thinking we should go with Xanthosis.
But you know, it starts with X, right?
I think the X will be silent.
Okay.
Because I can't say Xanthosis.
I understand.
No. Xanthosis.
Okay.
No.
That's true.
But hold on. Let's go with Xanthosis. Xanthosis.
That's the final, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Xanthosis.
Thank you. But this is being pronounced Xanthosis.
There's no Z there.
Yeah, that's the Xanthosis.
I actually got the Xanthosis. It's just the first word. So we tried.
All right, you tried. You did well. So your money is being reduced to 75,000.
Okay. Looking at it, do you think we'll go with something? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Are you ready for the next one?
Yes, I am. I believe it's pronounced phenomenon.
Okay.
I'm believing it's being pronounced.
I want to look at it properly.
Phenomenon.
Take your time. Look at it.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at it very well.
Yeah. Phenomenon.
Phenomenon.
Yes.
Phenomenon.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll give you that. Phenomenon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Got that right?
We got that.
Yes,
We still have about 75,000.
75,000. So now we have two more to go.
Yes.
Take this.
Ooh.
Does it look familiar? You've had that before, right?
I've not.
You have not?
I've not. I believe it's pronounced Cacophonous. I'm believing it's pronounced Cacophonous. I'm hoping it's been pronounced. That is the pronunciation. Let's hope. Fingers crossed. Let's cross it together.
Pronounce it again. I won't say.
Cacophonous.
Okay.
Cacophonous.
Okay. I'll give that to you.
Ooh. I still have my 75. Maybe I'll be going over my 75. You never can tell though.
Okay. Check this. Your last one for
Jesus Christ.
Okay. That's a very familiar one too, right? But it's very simple. It only seems so long, but it's very simple.
I believe it's pronounced pseudohypoparathyroidism.
Pseudohypoparathyroidism.
Yes,
Pseudohypoparathyroidism.
Pseudohypoparathyroidism.
That's what I'm saying. That you can't give a lot of space. So please, I want you to put it.
Pseudohypoparathyroidism.
Pseudohypoparathyroidism.
Yes.
Parathyroidism.
Yes. Parathyroidism.
I'll give that to you as well.
Because I've seen the studio word before, and the P is usually silent.
Of course. Pseudohypoparathyroidism.
I kept it.
Good. So you're still on 75,000. You have a lot of money.
Thank you.
So right now, we go to maps.
No. We're moving to general knowledge. No maps.
No. Maps is of course, it's part of the general knowledge.
Okay.
Maps. They are very simple maps.
Okay.
I'm very
hoping
sure.
so.
I'm very sure you will learn.
Okay. Let's go.
What country is this? Does this represent?
Thinking Kenya.
Kenya. Is that a fun answer?
Yes, I'm thinking. Let's go with Kenya.
Kenya.
No, I will still go home with some money. We'll definitely go home with some money, but let's go with Kenya. Even if you're wrong.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Madam Kiki.
Yeah.
The right answer is Libya. That's the flag of Libya. The next one, very simple as well.
I hope so.
What country is that?
I've never seen this flag in my life.
Really? So you can get it. So you can be going there for the next vacation as well.
I've not seen it. Should we go with Vietnam?
Vietnam. Have you been to Vietnam before?
No.
What makes you think it's Vietnam?
I'm just trying to guess. Maybe Vietnam, or it can be Afghanistan. No, it can't be Afghanistan. Let's go with Vietnam. Let's hope it's Vietnam. Let's hope it's Vietnam.
Vietnam? Is that an answer?
Yes.
Okay. The color for that is Democratic Republic of Congo. That's
Are you
Congo.
for real?
Yeah, Democratic Republic of DR Congo. When you had DR Congo,
Yes.
it's Democratic Republic of Congo.
Okay.
So please get familiar with that.
Okay.
So we have a balance of 18,750. Okay.
On my phone with something.
Of course. We still have like 2 more questions. So the next one.
You're not giving me the maps of country that familiar. You're not giving me maps of country that we see on TV, like when we're watching ball.
That's why a lot of us need to get familiar with this. Of course, flags are things that we should be learned in school. I think we should because a lot of people we don't even know it.
I'm more familiar with the flag.
So which one are you going for? What name? It's actually a very popular country in terms of population, in terms of the number of people, in terms of things coming from there. Great country.
This is not Philippines. This is not Colombia. This is not USC.
Yeah, definitely. That's not USC.
This is not Canada.
Canada. You want to go Canada?
Okay, let's see. I don't know, but I'm thinking. Should we go with California? I'm still thinking. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I don't know.
Well, like I said, in terms of population, very significant. That's India.
Are you for real?
Definitely, it represents India. That's the flag of India.
Can I see it once more?
Yeah, you can.
I need to get very familiar with it.
Yeah.
Wow.
India.
Never thought India flag would look like this.
Yeah, that's the flag of India.
So
we have a balance of how much now? You have a balance of
9,375. And I have how many questions?
You have just 2 questions to go.
Okay.
So you know you can still go home with something.
I go home with 500. The
Okay.
next question,
So
please.
this one is very simple. What flag is it? Very fine and lovely.
It's fine and lovely.
Yeah. Of course, if you have been watching football, you've been familiar with the flag. If you're familiar with some names, you know that those people, the
Names
football-
like.
No, I won't give you the name. You know that the
You need
footballer.
to give me some hints, though.
You know, of course, I'm giving you hints. All this what I'm saying, that the footballer came from that place. At least this particular footballer has collected maybe Ballon d'Or for a couple of times, and then great number of players came from there. Great number of.
Barcelona.
You mean that's a flag of Barcelona?
Like you're saying, great footballer like
But-
Ballon d'Or. That should be Ballon d'Or was Messi.
I don't know. I don't know. There are
Was
lots
it
of
Messi that collected Ballon? This last Ballon d'Or, it wasn't Messi.
a great number of players have collected, even
But the most famous Ballon d'Or collector is Messi.
really, are you sure?
I think so.
Of course, you must have possibly, but of course, a lot of people have actually collected. Even the Ronaldo, the Lima, the likes of a lot of people, Ronaldo, and the Messi you talked about have collected Ballon d'Or. But this country has produced great numbers of players. The country won the Copa America Cup.
The last
I'll give you
match
so many hints.
I'm trying to remember because the last match that they watched,
Yes.
I had someone that supported a club that was expecting to win.
Yeah.
But that club did not win. The other club was not that one.
Yeah.
I didn't put my mind to it, so I'm trying to remember
Okay.
right now.
Really?
Hopefully.
Argentina.
I'm going with Argentina.
Really?
I'm going with Argentina.
Okay.
Do we get it? Are we wrong? Are we right? Do I still have my 9,350?
You actually got it right. Yeah, I gave you thousands of
You gave me lots of hints. Lots of hints.
So it's Argentina.
Okay.
So I'm very sure next time you see this
I'll be
flag,
very
you can-
familiar with this flag because the next time I'm coming here, I'm
Yeah.
going home with all of my money.
No problem.
All of my
problem.
money.
We'll be waiting for you as well.
No problem. All of my money.
So which country is this? This one.
Ooh.
Let me give you hints on this. This
Okay.
one is one of the greatest country, most powerful country, one of the most powerful country in the world.
Okay.
A lot of countries have a very serious fear for this country, so they don't toy with this kind of country because they have so much nuclear power that they can destroy the country in a twinkle of an
Russia.
eye. What do you call it?
Russia.
Are you sure? You have to look at it very well.
They can destroy the country in the blink of an eye. They're very scared of it. I'm going with my Russia.
Okay, to be sincere, you did well. You got it right.
Do you know why? That you said
Yeah.
they can't.
No, I think I gave a lot for the first last question and this question. I gave a lot of it.
Yes.
So I've actually helped, right?
Yes, you have. I have my 9,350.
So, thank you so much, Madam Kiki.
Thank you for having me.
And I'm
Thank
very sure
you.
a lot of people have learned.
I learned.
As
I
well.
learned a lot.
Okay.
Especially
So
with the
if
map,
you want
with
to
the
take
flags.
part, if you want to take part in this program, please, you can chat us up or
Yes,
you call 00386951183, and I can tell you have a lot to win. I mean, you can go home with the 250,000 naira, or you can even go home with more gifts. And that, of course, our major aim is for people to learn, and I'm
Yes.
very sure a lot of people are learning. But we appreciate Madam for coming today, and I'm very sure you are pleased with the amount you're going on with.
I'm pleased. I'm not that pleased, but I'm still pleased. At least I'm not going on with 500. And you can also check us on Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok, on Instagram, and on YouTube. You comment, you share, and you like. And I'm hoping to see
Examhood.
your video on Examhood. And I'm hoping
Example, that's the logo. Just look
our
at the
logo is Examhood. There's this is blue. There's
Yes.
blue. There's white.
White, yes.
Blue and
Please.
white. Examhood.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Please share our video, like, subscribe on our YouTube channel. We'll be expecting. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye.